I wanted to do it with Delaney because we can both burp and sound really loud.
Like a motherfucker.
You go first, without Sprite. There. Cheers. It hurts.
I'm not supposed to burp. My eyes are watering.
Oh my god. I'm like halfway done. Oh no.
I'm gonna burp right now. What do I do? Keep drinking?
Bro.
My stomach. Bruh.
I'm like,
I'm gonna burp. It's in my throat.
Keep going. The sound. Almost done.
Same. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm almost done. It's just...
Finish! Go! Go! Go. Don't finish. I mean, don't stop. Oh, she stopped. I don't think we passed the challenge. Okay, that's a wrap.
No, it's not. It's stuck.
Okay, that's a wrap. Say goodbye. There we go.